In this training video, I want to teach you step by step how to automate your entire promotion and advertising campaign promoting someone else's product. So if you don't have a product, if you don't know how to create a product, you don't want to learn how to create a product, you're just interested in promoting someone else's product and earning commissions, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to automate it where you can continuously get traffic to your promotions, to your affiliate links, and potentially through that traffic generate some kind of sales and commissions potentially. Okay, so keep watching this video because I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Now in this video we are specifically going to talk about one of the network called Clickbank. Now this works with any network out there, whether you're with Clickbank, Warrior Plus, Digistore 24, JVZoo, promoting a physical product from Amazon. This method that I'm about to teach you on automation where you can continuously get traffic, repeated traffic to your offer, works with everything out there. I'm just talking about Clickbank is because a lot of people, when they get started online, especially with affiliate marketing, they normally tend to get started with Clickbank. Clickbank is one of the most popular network out there when it comes to promoting products and is one of the best networks out there. So we are going to talk about Clickbank. I am going to go into Clickbank. I'm going to choose a product. I'm going to show you the product that I'm going to promote, and then I'm going to show you how to create an automation sequence for yourself where you can get repeated traffic and continuously get traffic. And why we are doing this, I'm going to talk about that later on in this video as well. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so I'm on Clickbank right now, and in my Clickbank account, okay, I am going to go into the affiliate marketplace, the marketplace where they have thousands of products. You can promote the product, you can choose a product, promote the product, and from there you can choose which product you want to promote. Now if you look at the top, you can see here they have top new offers, top offers, health and fitness, e-business, e-marketing, which is related to make money online, home and gardens, e-commerce, green products, business and investing. You can choose any product from these categories and these niche. I normally tend to go for e-business, e-marketing because it has a lot of competition, and where there's competition there's money to be made. You can also choose health and fitness because there's so much money to be made in health and fitness as well. Okay, so I'm going to go into e-business, e-marketing. Now when I click on it, you can see that Clickbank is giving me all these results down here. I can promote these products and I can actually earn commissions when anyone go out there, buy the product from my affiliate link. Okay, so you can see here there are so many products after products after products. And then if you look into this, you could see here, if I just come here to this first product, you could see it's going to pay me up to $77 in commission. This includes the upgrade and the upsell, okay, not just the front end offer. You could see the EPC is 12 cents. The gravity, which is the most important part when it comes to deciding whether you want to promote this product or not, is 81.60. okay, so it's very good. Anything above 20 I would recommend it because that means there's money to be made and there is competition promoting this product. The ranking, you could just hover your mouse. The overall rank of an offer, this value is based on an aggregate score calculated from several performance metrics. Okay, so it's 48, which is good. Okay, but I'm not interested in promoting this product. I'm going to promote one of the product which is proven to convert, which is converting very, very good, okay, which has a very good high EPC, and it's recently launched just a couple of months ago on Clickbank, and that is this product here. Okay, so I'm just going to type in Instagram here when it comes to the marketplace, and then when I come down I could see it's the first product down here that says turn your Instagram account into an ATM machine. Okay, now you could check out the sales page down here. It's here, and this is the sales page. This is the sales page that you're going to be promoting. It looks like a very good product. It's created by this woman down here, one of the top Instagram influencer who's earning thousands of dollars every single month. She teaches you how to turn your Instagram account into an ATM machine, how to monetize your account, how to get followers. So you could buy this product yourself as well to check it out. She's providing with 6 exclusive bonuses as well. All right, and one of the best bonus is the reseller license, giving you access to this complete done for you business in a box. Okay, So I'm going to promote this product from Clickbank. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, before I create my automation, what I want to do is I want to go to the affiliate page here, and I want to see what they have to offer. So when I come here, I can see that they are offering a lot of cool stuff down here. You can see the short content email swipes, and they are offering long email swipes as well. If I scroll more down, I can see that they are offering also media buys. So if I want to drive some media buy traffic, I can do that. This vendor is actually paying up to 75% in commissions. Okay, so every time you generate a sale, you're going to earn up to 75% in commissions. So let's create our automation. So for that purpose, I'm going to use a tool and a software called System. So you're going to come to this website here. It's absolutely free to join. You're going to come here, then you're going to go to emails, you're going to go to campaigns, okay, and then down here you are going to actually come here, okay, and click on create. Now when you create this, I'm just going to put CB Insta test, because this is for testing purposes, just teaching you. I'm going to select the support domain name. Make sure you have a support domain name down here as an email address. You don't want to use a default Gmail or Yahoo, because that case your email will go into the spam folder. Okay, I'm going to click on save down here. There you go, it has created this for me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this, I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to put my first subject line. I'm going to get my subject line from the affiliate tool page, which is this one here. So let's just go here and let me see if I want to use the short content email swipes or I want to use the long email swipes. I'm going to use the short email swipes. So for this purpose, first of all, I'm going to take this subject line, copy, okay, come here, paste, select classic editor, click on save, okay, and then I'm gonna put the description down here. So I'm gonna go hey, and then I'm just gonna grab all this, okay, copy this, come here, paste it here, and now I'm just gonna make it look good. So I'm just gonna come here, all right, and take a look. Just change this to your name, okay, so I'm going to put my name here. There you go, and this is going to be your affiliate link here. So you just want to put something like click here to get started, all right, and then I'm just going to copy this link. You don't want to copy this link, okay, this is just for demonstration purposes. In your case, what you're going to do, you're going to go to Clickbank, you're going to click on get affiliate link, okay, and when you click on get affiliate link, you're going to scroll down and it's going to give you this long Clickbank link. You're going to copy that link, and then you're going to do the same thing that I'm about to do right now, okay. So remember that if you don't do that, you're going to get the traffic, you're not going to make any commission. So make sure you do this. Very important. To get your Clickbank affiliate link, click on this get affiliate link, okay, enter your username, click on create, scroll down, and you're going to find a long Clickbank affiliate link. Let me just show you how it works. Get affiliate link, this is for demonstration purposes. Click here, click on continue, scroll down, and this is the link. You're going to copy this link, and then you're going to come here and paste it here, okay, and this is what you're going to do for this product here, which is turn your Instagram account into an ATM machine, okay. So you're going to click on the get affiliate link and do the same what I just showed you, okay. So you're going to highlight this, you're going to come here, click on the three dots, you're going to click on link, you're going to paste your Clickbank affiliate link here, click on this tick, you're going to come here, make this a bit bigger, okay, make it to 20, and then bold it so it stands out, and boom, that's it, done. All right, and then you're going to click on here, save and publish. There you go. You're going to leave everything as it is because this is your first email. Click on activate, and it has activated. Now you're going to click on exit, okay, and there you go, you have your first email ready. This is the first automation. Now we're going to do the second email. Click on create again, and then you're going to go back to the affiliate email swipes, go to your second email down here, and take this title, copy, okay, and paste it, and then back to normal classic editor, click on save, and there you go. And then we're going to come back here and just copy this whole entire description here and do the same thing that we done last time. So we're going to copy paste, come here, okay, we're going to go down here. We're gonna like just show you the simple process. Okay, and then the same thing you're gonna do, you're gonna change this to your name. Okay, change this to your name, click here to get started, click here to get started. You're gonna highlight this again. Okay, and then you're just gonna put your link here. You're gonna take your affiliate link from Clickbank. Okay, so you're gonna take your affiliate link from Clickbank, paste it here. Okay, let's bold this, make it bigger so it stands out. Okay, now watch this, or what happens. Okay, now I'm going to click on here, hover my mouse, save and publish, and watch what happens. Now it's asking me a question here. Now what I need to do first thing is I'm going to select 1. Why 1? I want this email to go out 1 day after my previous email. Okay, then I'm going to select which email is the previous email. That's this one here. Okay, so now this email will go out 1 day after this email that I have selected. Remember that. Okay, now click on activate, click on exit, and I have 2 emails ready. Now what's going to happen is when you start sending traffic, okay, when you start sending traffic to a squeeze page, which will look something similar like this, okay, and they click here, they enter the email address down here, they're going to come here. Okay, once they enter the email, they're going to go to the offer. Most people will not buy instantly. So what you're going to do, what's going to happen, instantly he's going to receive this email telling him, hey, you checked out my product, go and check it out again. Okay, that's the first email going to go out. Then the second day, this email will go out, and then the third day, another email. Like that, you're going to create up to 7 days to 10 days emails. Okay, so if you come back to the affiliate tool down here, you could see up to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They have 10 short email content swipe emails for you to copy and paste. So you could have up to 10 days worth of email going out on your behalf on completely autopilot to your subscribers and leads, telling them to go back and see this offer. What do you think? Do you think if you start sending a lot of traffic to your squeeze page and you get up to like 100, 200, 300, 400 leads and subscribers, and those people are opening their emails, do you think you can make a potential sale? Let me know in the comment section box. Okay, so up to 10 emails you can add. Once you added your 10 emails, then you could go back to Clickbank. Okay, and then you could choose another product. So for instance, you could choose this product, the 47 laws of Instagram, or another product related to make money online. And then you could go to their affiliate page, copy and paste those email swipes and create another extra. Okay, what just happened there? Let me just see what happened there. Okay, no problem. So you could create another 10 emails in your campaign. Like that, you're going to have 20 emails, 10 emails for the Insta Profit System Clickbank affiliate link, and another 10 emails for another Clickbank product. And like that, you can add up to 50 emails, 100 emails, 200 emails, 300 emails every single day. One email going out on your behalf on completely autopilot to your leads, to your subscribers. This is what you call automation. Okay, now you might be asking yourself, hey, this sounds very, very good. How do I create a lead magnet page? So stay tuned for that, because I will create a complete training video on how to create a lead magnet page. I have created a video on this, but for that, but I will come up with some alternative softwares, tools and resources for you to create lead magnet pages like this. You can create a lead magnet page like this using the same tool, same software, which is system. Okay, but I'm going to create some more videos talking about other training, other tools and resources as well, so stay tuned for that.